guys! For this video, we will draw and color a bell. A handbell is a small bell designed to be rung by hand, typically held by its handle. It's often made of brass or other metals and produces a clear, ringing sound when shaken. Handbells are used in religious ceremonies, such as in Catholic or Anglican churches, to mark certain parts of the service. In music, handbells are used in ensembles where each person is responsible for ringing one or more bells, contributing to a full, harmonious sound. Teachers or speakers sometimes use handbells to call attention or signal transitions during events. Handbells are also used for decorative purposes, often displayed in homes or as collectibles.